Hello everyone, Pacer Rail Fanning here. We're here at the Sibley Road River Crossing here in Trenton, Michigan. As you guys can see, we got a Canadian National train coming to the Sibley Road Crossing. You can see it's coming right now, it's right down there, guys. The signal should go off any second now, guys. Yep. Should be going off. Here it comes, guys. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Here it comes, the CN, guys. Here he comes, guys. Here comes a Canadian National train. Here he comes. Here he comes. Right. You can see the LEDs are flashing, guys. You can see the end of the train right down there, guys. Here it comes. Yeah, you can see the backlight should shut off. Here it. Alright guys, see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching Pacer Rail Fanning. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for the next train video.